Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Today I am doing an unboxing as well as a demo of some new softbox lights that I got for my makeup videos and videos in general. These lights can also be used for photo shoots and things of that nature, but I'm going to give you the exact name of the lights and then I'm going to show you how I unbox them, I put them together, and a little bit of a demo of how the lights change the video or the photo that I can take. So I had to write it down because it's kind of a long name. So it's the Neewer, Neewer, 700W Professional Photography 24 by 24 inch soft box with E27 socket light lighting kit. That's the name of it. It's on Amazon. I got it on Amazon Prime. It was $69.99. If you get it with Prime, there's no tax and there's no shipping. But I got these lights. It's two lights on tripods, has these humongous light bulbs and a softbox cover to go over it to diffuse the light. So initially I was just using a ring light, and ring lights are great, but you know, they cast a certain light and they give you the little ring on your nose or the ring on your eyes. Well, these are a little bit more professional and they spread the light a little bit better. So I have one of the soft boxes on this side of my face, and I have my ring light on this side of my face. So this side of my face is the light is a little bit softer. Even though the ring light does have a little soft thing over it. These lights are just amazing. So right now I'm just using one ring light and one soft box, but later I will use both soft boxes and just use my ring light every now and then. So let's get into this unboxing. I will let you know what I think about the product and show you everything that came with it. Opening the box was very easy. It weighed about 11 pounds. As soon as I opened the box, I saw the bag that everything goes in, and it was neatly packed inside. Everything was boxed separately, and there were individual bags to put the tripods in. Here is what the light looks like. It's a really big light. It comes with two. And taking the tripods out was also very, very easy. The first thing I noticed was that the tripod was not as sturdy as my ring light. And I was a little bit worried about that because these lights are so big. It has two snaps that help the tripod go taller or shorter. And this is just the second one that comes in the set. They are exactly the same. Onto the softbox panels. This is the diffuser that goes over the light to help spread the light better. It's very soft and it has Velcro on four sides. So I just wanted to make sure that nothing was broken, and I wanted to figure out how to put the light in. So to get this thing to stay open all the way, you have to push down the middle over the light socket. I was a little bit worried about breaking it. If this is something that you're going to take with you a lot of places, opening and closing it, I would be very, very careful because this thing can break. So once I got it pushed down, it snapped into place, and then it was time to put on the light bulb. After putting on the light bulb, I put on the panel, and it has Velcro on the four sides, but it also hooks on the corners. So I started putting on the Velcro, And then about halfway through, I realized it's probably better to put on the corners first because they actually hold the panel in place. But nonetheless, it does have something to keep it in place on the four sides as well as the corners. I also wanted to be very, very careful because I didn't want to collapse the light box while I was trying to put this on. It's actually not as fragile as it looks, but I wanted to be careful. I didn't want to have to send it back and get another one. Once I got the softbox in place, it was time to put it on the tripod. Again, the tripod is not as sturdy as I would like it to be, but I don't think that if you keep it stationary, it'll be an issue. If you are taking it from place to place, be very, very careful. I needed to spread the bottom of the tripod a little bit more. It does open a little bit more than what you see here. Not a whole lot more, but it does open a little bit more. And now you see I'm putting on the corners, which I should have done before, but I did learn my lesson with the first one, and I did it immediately with the second one. After getting this all together, I wanted to make sure that the light worked. I wanted to see how bright it was before I moved to my next step of putting the other one together. So I plugged it in to the socket next to me and I tried out the light. It is a truly bright light. It's bright, but it's not like crazy in your face bright because it has that cloth over it. So the second one was a breeze because by now I was a pro. I pushed down the middle, I put the light in, I put the soft panel over it, corners first, and then the sides. Once I put it together, I wanted to compare the lighting to my ring light, see what it would look like with one light on, both lights with my ring light, and just see how much lighting I was going to be able to get in my space. So, check it out. All right, so now I am in a corner of my room. I have my ring light in front of me, and I have the lights on either side of me. No lights at all except for my ceiling fan and a little bit coming through the window. Here's my ring light, just like a regular light. Here's one, casting the side of my face, illuminating. You can see all of my hyperpigmentation, and then here's the other light. So, as you can see, it does give me quality lighting. The lights are great. And I believe I paid $69. I got it on Prime, so I didn't pay the tax and shipping, but I like the lights and I'm going to use them. Luckily, they're going to be stationary in my workspace. You do have bags for you to take them places, so that's what I'm working with. I really do like the lights themselves. I'm gonna look in the paper. Like, there were no actual instructions on how to put this together, but it's not hard at all. But I'm gonna look at how to get replacement bulbs for when they go out. I'm gonna maybe go to Home Depot and be like, hey, I need this big ass bulb. So the lights get an A+. So there you have it, guys. If you are a vlogger or a photographer, I feel like this softbox set is really good for you to have. I plan to get so much use out of it. I feel like the tripods could have been made a little bit more sturdy, but it's not falling over, it's not wobbly, they're not like misshapen. I just think that the tripod could be just a little bit thicker, a little bit more sturdy in nature. So overall, I give the lights an A+. I give the tripod a B-, but it's absolutely worth the buy for $70. You get two of these, you get bags to put everything in, and one large case to put all of the items in. So my recommendation, if you're thinking about getting this light, go ahead and get it. It's an amazing deal. There are some upgraded versions of it for like twice as much, but the $69.99 version will do you just fine. So thanks for watching, and until next time, have a good day.